Wake that ass up.
Get up and get turned up with DeDe in the morning.
We get wild a bit.
Dr. Fauci, can you tell me this? Is this really a new virus? Is it old? And is it man-made? Because I'm telling you, these are the things that are still out there.
Well, it's a new virus. We have not had experience with this virus before. It's a coronavirus. Remember, in 2002, we had SARS that originated in China. That was pretty well controlled by public health measures. This is a coronavirus, but a different one. So the answer to your question, DeDe, it is a new virus. Was it man-made? No, it wasn't. It was in an animal reservoir, bats and other intermediate reservoir. Occasionally they jump species from an animal to a human. It adapted itself well to human. And that's when you wind up getting the disease that we have right now.
Dr. Fauci, is this all a part of a new world order, as everyone says, to get everybody to be tracked with this and our medical records there? You know, we're getting ready to have vaccine passports. Some people say this is nothing more than the new world order, right?
No, DeDe,
you've heard it.
It's not.
You've heard it though, right? You've heard all the rumors, right?
There's a lot of crazy stuff going around, DeDe. You know, you got to be careful. There's a lot of nutcake stuff going around.
Yeah. All right. So what about this? The other nutcake story is that you and Bill Gates are in on this, and you guys are lying to the entire world, Dr. Fauci. Now, I know if you lied to the entire world, can you tell me the truth though? Just me. Everybody in the world, tell me.
Yeah.
Give me the scoop.
I'm telling you the truth. There's no conspiracy with Bill Gates and I. I make no money whatsoever out of this vaccine. Zero, none.
Mm-hmm. All right, Dr. Fauci, I'm going to make sure that we're getting the truth here. Now, here's the other part about this vaccine. So because we're taking this and it's fairly new, what do you assume, or what are everybody thinking could be the lasting effects or the after effect? I think I've heard someone say that women, if they take this and they've not had kids, there could be fertility issues. Is that true?
Not true.
Okay. Well, any effects? Do we know what's going to happen next to us? Will we turn to zombies?
No, not true.
What will happen? Do we know?
You know, if you look at the history of vaccinology, the toxic side effects that generally occur, you know, within 15 to 45 days, if they do occur. And most vaccines are really, really quite safe. Thus far, we are now a year into this. We started testing people in March sometime. So we're almost a year into the first time we started giving the vaccine, and it's been given to tens and tens and tens of millions of people. If you look globally, it's, you know, over 100 million people. There really has not been any indication at all that there are any severe toxic effects of this vaccine. So, you know, whenever you have an intervention, there's always going to be someone that's going to have a peculiar reaction. But to our knowledge, that is extraordinarily rare, if it even has occurred yet.
You know that we have all seen all the movies that start like that, right? The Contagion and I Am Legend starts where, you know, where there's all these, somebody is saying it's the vaccine that actually turns everybody into zombies. So, you know, the movies have scared everybody when it comes to vaccines. You know that, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of crazy stuff going around, DeDe, but if you look at the science and the facts, you'll find that vaccines in general are extremely safe. And if you look at the number of lives that vaccines have saved over the years, the benefit overwhelmingly outstrips any risk that you might have.
And so you're as a doctor, because I tell everybody when I go in and they ask me who my primary care physician is, I say Dr. Fauci now. I always say, yeah, Dr. Fauci is my doctor. So Doc, you know, for you, as we talk about this, you're not nervous of the effects. You say what, 100% of it, we all should go and get the vaccine. Is that right?
Yeah, I mean, well, take a look at the facts, DeDe. That's the reason why, you know, you're semi-joking, but in some respects you're serious about this conspiracy stuff that goes on. Just take a look at the scientific facts. So far, there've been about 550,000 people have died in this country from this virus. This is a serious, bad acting virus. not only does it kill people, but people who get infected could sometimes have long-range symptoms that linger for a long period of time. The vaccines have been used right now, have been judged to be safe and effective by independent bodies of people who have no allegiance to a government, no allegiance to the pharmaceutical company. Their only allegiance is to the people of the United States. And when you look at the data, these vaccines are highly, highly efficacious and have a very, very good safety profile.
Okay.
And that's the reason why we almost plead with people that we need them to get vaccinated, not only for their own safety, but for that of their family, but also for their societal responsibility. Because if everybody gets vaccinated, this virus is going nowhere.
Right.
We stop dead in its tracks.
Wake that ass up.
Get up and get turned up with DeDe in the morning.
We get wild a bit.